How to get started with Notion without losing your mind. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool, but for beginners, it can feel overwhelming. In this guide, we'll start with a blank Notion page and, in just a few minutes, transform it into a simple yet powerful LifeOS dashboard. You'll learn how to create essential databases and customize views to suit your workflow. Ready to build your very own Notion command center? Let's dive in. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Now, let's build your productivity powerhouse with Notion. 1. Setting up your LifeOS dashboard. Name your page. Start by naming your blank Notion page, LifeOS, and choosing an icon, e.g., the yin-yang symbol. Add a clean design. Use headers, dividers, and color backgrounds for visual appeal. For example, type hashtag dashboard for a second-level heading and add a divider with. This structure forms the foundation for your LifeOS, keeping everything clean and organized. 2. Create your task database. Tasks are the backbone of any productivity system. Here's how to set them up. Insert a table. Type /table to add a table view, then convert it into a page for a focused workspace. Customize properties. Rename properties to task name, due date, and done. Use a checkbox property for marking tasks as completed. Sorting and filters. Sort tasks by due date, ascending, so the next task appears at the top. Filter out completed tasks by setting the done property to unchecked. Pro tip: use the keyboard shortcut CMD+ or Ctrl+ left bracket to navigate back to the main dashboard quickly. 3. Build a notes database. Your notes database is where ideas, meeting notes, and research come together. Structure the database. Add properties like note type, e.g., meeting, thought, research, and date. Include created time and last updated for better tracking. Categorize notes. Use colors to distinguish between note types. Blue for meeting notes, yellow for thoughts, gray for research. Sort by date. Sort notes by last updated to always see the most recent notes at the top. This database ensures that all your notes are easy to find and logically organized. 4. Create a command center. Your command center brings tasks and notes into a single, actionable view. Add views for tasks. Use filtered views like upcoming, tasks due in the next 7 days, and inbox, tasks without a due date. Duplicate existing views and tweak filters for customization. Integrate notes. Create a recent notes view sorted by last updated. Hide unnecessary properties to keep the view clean. This command center gives you a quick overview of everything important. 5. Use templates for efficiency. Templates save time by pre-filling content. Create note templates. Add headers for key takeaways, action items, and general notes. Use placeholders for dates and note types. Set default templates. Assign your custom template as the default for all new notes in the database. This approach streamlines repetitive tasks, ensuring consistency in your entries. 6. Explore additional views. Notion's flexibility allows for various formats beyond tables. Calendar view for tasks. Create a separate page for a calendar view of your task database. Toggle on properties like done to see completed tasks. Drag and drop tasks to adjust due dates visually. Quick links section. Add shortcuts to key pages like task calendar view or notes database for easy navigation. These alternative views provide different perspectives on your data, helping you stay organized. 7. Bonus. Tips for Notion beginners. Keyboard shortcuts. Get comfortable with shortcuts like CMD+/4 commands and CMD+N for new pages. Save filtered views. Always duplicate views before applying new filters to avoid losing your original data. Keep it simple. Focus on building a few core databases, like tasks and notes, before adding more complexity. In conclusion, and there you have it, your very own LifeOS dashboard in Notion. With just a few core databases and tailored views, You've created a centralized hub for managing tasks, notes, and more. The possibilities with Notion are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video, and until then, happy Notion ing.